When using short-form video assignments in your classroom, it's important to know your why. When I think about my why, I think about how those video assignments connect to my student learning objectives. Sure, short-form video assignments can promote student excitement, but do they actually facilitate knowledge and skill retention? I think yes. Here's how. I use short-form video assignments in my social psychology courses, and one of my central learning objectives for that class is science communication. Arguably, the students in my course become experts in the topics that we are learning about, and the purpose that my short-form video assignments serve is to teach them how to distill all of that complex information for a non-expert audience without distorting accuracy. A second objective is to improve students' scientific and digital literacy. Learning through online videos is now a common experience for most, but that online information isn't always accurate. In a way, creating short-form videos helps students to identify misinformation, and that's an important skill for the real world. To help your students recognize the value of these short-form video assignments, communicate to them your why using clear learning objectives and assessment rubrics. To learn more about some different types of video assessments, stay tuned for part 3.